Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're delving into the world of photography and videography with a closer look at the Canon EOS M50 Mark II plus EF M15-45mm IS STM Kit. If you're a content creator or an aspiring vlogger, this might just be the perfect tool for you. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll uncover the features that make this camera kit stand out. Let's jump right in. Starting off strong, the EOS M50 Mark II boasts a powerful 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, capable of capturing stunning high-resolution images and 4K videos. Its ISO range of 100-25600, expandable up to 51,200, ensures remarkable performance even in challenging lighting conditions. Behind the scenes, the DIGIC-8 image processor enhances autofocus performance, delivering sharp and detailed photos and videos with minimal noise. This means your content will shine, no matter the lighting conditions. Speaking of autofocus, the EOS M50 Mark II features an improved dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF support. Whether you're shooting stills or videos, this feature ensures fast and precise focus on your subjects, with improved recognition of eyes and faces even from a distance. Let's talk about video capabilities. This camera offers 4K UHD at 24p, giving you the power to capture cinematic quality moments with incredible detail. And for those breathtaking slow-motion shots, you can record in HD at 120p, ensuring smooth playback that adds a touch of magic to your content. Content creators, rejoice! The EOS M50 Mark II supports live streaming with cinematic image quality. Share your concerts, vlogs, and more with your audience in real time, all while maintaining that professional touch. Elevate your creativity with the vertical video feature. Mix up your shots and angles with ease, giving your content a fresh perspective that stands out. Looking for a webcam alternative? The EOS M50 Mark II has you covered with the Webcam Utility app. Transform your camera into a high-quality webcam for video calls, streaming, and online meetings. Stay connected effortlessly with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Upload and share your content seamlessly, making it easier than ever to engage with your audience. To sum it up, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II plus EF M15-45mm IS STM Kit is a game-changer for content creators. From its powerful sensor and image processor to its improved autofocus and versatile video capabilities, this camera kit is designed to help you capture and share your vision with the world. That's it for today's review on the Canon EOS M50 Mark II plus EF M15-45mm IS STM Kit. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tech insights. I'm your host from Product Critique, and until next time, keep creating and keep exploring the world of technology.